right, so our average order value, if we know what our average order value is, say it's $50, we want to multiply that by 1.4. That gets us to $70 if it's 50. If we're at $70, that's our first trigger for when someone should receive a free gift. So in our demo store, example store, I'm going to edit an existing campaign where we give people a free pin. And right now it's $5. I want everybody to get this. I'm just trying to acquire new customers. Now we're switching it up. We don't want to give up margin anymore. We want to increase cart value, basket value. And so we're going to change our minimum cart price to 70, which is 1.4x our average order value. Save, prepares the campaign. Now our threshold free gift with purchase is all set. All right, on to section 2, setting up a product bar on a product page. So our free gift with purchase offer really only works if we can communicate it to the customer. And the best place to communicate this type of offer when we're trying to increase our average order value is at the add to cart button. That's when the purchase decision happens. So let's look. We're going to edit our theme and I will show you how you could set up this progress bar because we keep it easy. So here we've got our default product, and then on our left, we're going to click product page, add block, click apps. There is promo party CTA, call to action. So I click it. It's super simple. There are no theme settings for it. Those live in the app. And already this could work. But my preference, I just like to put it underneath my add to cart button. All right, I got other stuff here. So in my example, I've got, hey, add to cart to demo this. Often in stores, Shopify stores will have maybe install payments there. It's okay. Easy. I just drag and drop it. Wow. Shopify theme editor, I love you. You're the best. Now, if you want to customize this to match your store better, absolutely, we can do that for you. You just have to ask support. We are happy to set this up for you. And here we could even test it. So we could show the progress bar, add to cart. And let's go back so we can see it. And you can see the progress bar happening. Cool. So I'm just going to save it because I want that to always be on here now. So there, now we've got our free gift with purchase progress bar set up right on our PDP. No code, just drag, drop, and save. Once we've got that set up, you can keep track of it within your Shopify analytics. Look at how often that discount fires or how often the product is being purchased. Or inside the promo party dashboard, we surface that stuff for you. You can see how often the gift is added to cart, what the add to cart rate is, and the average cart value. And then it's going to show you that if it's been running long enough compared to the previous period. If you click analytics on the left, this guy is a drop-down menu, so you could pick which campaign if you're running multiple campaigns, and then you could see. And if you're offering multiple variants, we'll even show you which one, so you know which is the customer favorite, the most effective. And if you question our numbers, we'll even give you the stats. Pop that guy open, and there it gives us how we calculate that data. And of course, any questions, you can always chat with our friendly support person, Julian, in here. All right, and if you've got don't have Promo Party installed yet, just search for it up here, Promo Party. It will search for it in the App Store for you.